Whoa. What the heck am I building with this? I have literally never done a YouTube partnership before and I'm so excited. I'm doing together this video with Letitia. I love her channel so much. It's all about DIYs, home makeovers, everything female because she also puts some fashion inside there. Go and see her channel if you don't know about her. And now let's start. So what we did was send each other a mystery box with so much cool stuff inside, and then we need to create DIYs using this. So many cool pieces. Initially, I was 100% that I was gonna use this and create like a little soccer field at home, the ones that you can play into. But then I went on YouTube and found out that like half of the men DIY population had already created this. So at the end, I decided to go back to my comfort zone and we're gonna create furniture. I basically spent the last 2 days of my life sketching and looking on Pinterest for ideas of how I can make this work. And I think I found the perfect side table. The side table that she sent is basically like a big box with a cover and with very long legs to put on the bottom. Plus we have 4 of this completely rounded legs. I love it. It's literally like a ball. Look how cool they are. But you know me, I do not like easy challenges, so I decided to transform this piece in something completely different. Actually, we're not even gonna use this as legs, but as a structure in between it. You're gonna see. We're gonna start by disassembling it and taking off this that should have been for the legs. I know you, and I know that you're too curious to start this episode without knowing what did I send to her. So I'm gonna show you even that. And these are the things that I sent. No idea what she's gonna do out of it. This is gonna happen way later on in the project, but we are gonna paint this in a different kind of texture to make it look like a rock. Yes, you heard me right. So this means that we have to sand it, and I want to do this before I add all the layers on top, so we're gonna be sanding this, and this, and this. That was loud. This upside down. On top of this, we're gonna get one of the legs that we're gonna place in the middle, but instead of using it as a leg, we're gonna use it as a neck. This sort of structure. I don't have enough hands for this. Like this, and then on top of that, we're gonna put this. It's gonna work out. Information is that we need to use a head for our driller that is made for wood, not the ones that you usually use to make holes on your wall. It has to be for wood, and we chose a size that is more or less, I hope, the same as the screw that we need to then put inside. This way the work should be a lot easier. Now, if you notice, I made holes in 3 of them and not in all 4, and that is because the last one is the one that is going to be connected to the base, and I have no way to calculate right now what is the perfect angle to put them so that they all balance up. So this one, we're just going to screw it at the end. Make a hole at the end. What we're going to do is get started with the top part and then make it all the way to the base. This one, we are using the same leg. Screw it in. Find the middle, guess what the middle is, and then screw it. Over here, I couldn't be happier. We have to find what the middle of it is. So, now, tastes very bad. I'm gonna spin this around and find out which is the spot that looks like the balance is perfect. We're gonna use a leveler on the top to find out when it is that I'm straight. There it is. This was so much easier than just guessing it. Once I have this completely straight on the top, I know that that is the middle where I'm gonna make my mark and then my home. One extra hole in the middle of our base. I literally love it when things come out easier than I think, because usually it's way more complicated than I expected. And I get stuck on projects. But this one is easy peasy. So now what we're taking out is real screws, because we need one to put on the head on the missing. On our missing ball, because we're gonna catch it from the other side. Close it like this. Trust me. We did. It already looks completely awesome. I can't believe that this super cool structure that I had in my head actually worked, but now it's time to transform it into a rock. But before we do that, let's thank my Patreon subscribers. It is spray paint time, and the feeling's right. It is spray paint time, but what a night. We're using this that it's literally made to do texture and color at the same time. It's gonna give it this rockiness material effect. I have never used this before, so let's hope it works. Okay, that worked. Not. I asked the store like 10 times if I would have to make a base in black, and they kept telling me no, but I literally do. So what we're gonna do is first make a base in black so we can't see the difference between the white and the wood anymore, and then we're gonna do the layering. Attempt number 2. And I could not be more excited about the result of this side table. I think it's so cool, and especially I like the fact that it changes shape to something completely unexpected. If you haven't done it yet, do not forget to subscribe, because we post amazing content every Monday. I literally cannot wait to show you the result, but I also cannot wait to go and see what Letitia did with the things that I sent her. I have so many ideas of the things that she could have done, but okay, I'm gonna run and see her video. You should do that too, but now let's see the results.